Have you ever wondered why traditional health advice tells men over 40 to drink lemon water, yet so many still struggle with low energy and poor baseline blood flow? The problem isn't the lemon, it's the missing catalyst. Without a healthy fat to unlock its polyphenols, your gut simply can't process the ingredients needed to protect your nitric oxide levels. When a man crosses the threshold of 40, his circulatory system naturally begins to lose its youthful elasticity. Stiffening blood vessels, sluggish liver function, and systemic inflammation combine to slow down arterial flow, leaving you with cold extremities, low daily energy, and declining performance when it matters most. Drinking plain lemon water on an empty stomach provides water-soluble vitamin C. But without a healthy lipid carrier, your body cannot absorb the critical fat-soluble polyphenols needed to protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress. Why is extra virgin olive oil the non-negotiable lipid for this protocol? Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with oleic acid and polyphenols that directly improve the flexibility of your arterial walls. These compounds protect the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels from oxidative stress, ensuring smooth blood flow without resistance. Fresh lemon juice brings a massive dose of bioflavonoids and natural citric acid, which stimulate liver enzymes and help break down microdeposits in the vascular system. When you combine extra virgin olive oil with fresh lemon juice and warm water, they work together to trigger the synthesis of nitric oxide, the single most important molecule your body uses to dilate arteries and pump oxygen-rich blood directly to your vital organs. To extract the maximum bioavailability from this remedy, precision in both measurement and temperature is mandatory. Stir exactly 1 teaspoon of high-polyphenol extra virgin olive oil into 8 ounces of warm filtered water. Then add the fresh squeeze of half a real lemon. Using warm water is essential because cold water causes the oil to coagulate, making it far harder for your digestive system to process and absorb. Drink this whole mixture every single night right before you go to sleep. Taking it before bed gives the bioactive nutrients uninterrupted access to your liver and vascular network while your body is resting and repairing itself overnight. The most immediate change happens the very next morning after your first drink. Your liver flushes built-up metabolic toxins, leaving you with noticeably higher morning energy, a lighter feeling in your gut, and zero waking sluggishness. Over the course of 7 consistent days, these internal benefits build up exponentially. By days 3 and 4, your peripheral circulation sharpens, warming your hands and feet while eliminating afternoon brain fog. By days 5 through 7, the sustained surge in nitric oxide and systemic vascular dilation leads to improved physical endurance, sharper morning vitality, and a noticeable upgrade in overall bedroom performance. There are 3 critical mistakes that completely neutralize this routine and can actually promote internal oxidation instead of preventing it. Millions of men buy cheap, highly processed supermarket olive oils that are heavily diluted with refined seed oils like soybean or canola. These low-quality oils are rancid, lack polyphenols, and cause arterial inflammation rather than relieving it. To protect your body and achieve maximum blood flow, you must exclusively use cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil in a dark, glass bottle, ideally with a verified harvest date. Never use store-bought bottled lemon juice. Concentrated lemon juice is pasteurized with high heat, which destroys the delicate vitamin C and bioflavonoids needed to trigger nitric oxide release. Always use freshly squeezed real lemon juice. Third, never mix this protocol into icy cold water or boiling water. Ice-cold water shrinks stomach microvessels and slows down absorption, while boiling water destroys delicate antioxidants. Always use warm or room temperature filtered water. Taking simple, intentional steps each night can completely redefine how your body feels and performs every morning. If you want more simple life hacks like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. I want to hear from you. How do you usually start your morning, and have you ever tried mixing olive oil into lemon water before? Drop your age and your answer in the comments below so we can see who is taking action today.